gonna bathe? Aww, so pretty. Yes. Oh, you wanna take a bath? Does that mean you're happy? Does that mean you're happy? Hmm? You sure are yellow. Mucho bonita. Super yellow. Look at those cute little toes. Look at those cute little toes. You are precious. Yes, you. Miss Princess. Look at you enjoying your food. Yum, yum. Some good stuff. I feel like you're really extra into that treat today. Hi, little buddy. Are you a budgie? Or are you bougie? Hmm? Are you a bougie buddy? Look how cute. You're so tiny. You're the tiniest little yellow bird ever. You want to take a bath and get pretty? Oh, wow. So pretty. Yes, ma'am. So pretty. Good job. Good girl. Look at Princess over here drinking water. Spread those wings, ma'am. You're under arrest for being so darn cute. Look at the eyebrow. Look at the eyebrow. You are one silly girl. I love it. You're styling. Very stylish, Princess. Very stylish. Love it. Love the new hairdo.